In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Notion for aesthetics. By the end, you'll have a clean, cohesive workspace that feels intentional and inspiring without sacrificing usability. Let's start with the overall text style. Open the three dots in the top right menu and switch between default, serif, or mono. Default is modern and balanced. Serif adds a bookish, editorial feel, and mono creates a minimal, tech-forward vibe. While you are there, toggle small text for a more compact look. This is great if you like dense dashboards or want more information visible at a glance. Next, bring your pages to life with covers. Click Add Cover and choose animated GIFs, Pinterest-inspired images, or custom banners. Aim for a consistent color palette across pages, so everything feels unified. You can reposition the cover to frame the subject just right. And if you are using GIFs, keep them subtle so they don't distract from your content. For icons, skip the standard emojis and use custom images or GIFs that match your theme. A cohesive icon style helps pages feel branded. Minimal line icons work well for a sleek setup, while playful GIFs can add personality to hobbies or personal pages. Keep sizing and tone consistent so icons enhance, not overwhelm. If you want more breathing room, toggle full width in the top right menu. This removes side margins and lets you stretch content across the screen. It's perfect for dashboards, galleries, and multi-column layouts. If you prefer a narrow reading experience for long notes, simply switch it off. To add function with flair, embed widgets, aesthetic clocks, weather modules, or life progress. Bars from services like Indify or Widget Box can sit right on your page. Paste the widget's embed link into Notion and choose Embed. Use these sparingly so your page stays clean and loads quickly. Highlight key sections with call-out boxes. They're great as stylized headers or summaries. Change the icon to match the section's theme and adjust the background color to build a visual rhythm down the page. This makes scanning effortless and keeps attention on what matters. For a polished magazine feel, type /col to create columns. Then drag blocks side by side, mix text, images, and databases for dynamic layouts. Just remember that on mobile, columns stack, so keep critical info in the leftmost column. Finally, refine your databases. Switch to Gallery View for visual collections and set Card Preview to Page Cover, so each card showcases its banner. Hide database titles and use minimal settings to keep everything clean and uniform. That's it for this aesthetic makeover. Thanks for watching.